Welcome to the Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you will learn about the powerful accounting reports in Tally ERP9. The reports we will discuss about today are the cash and bank books, the ledger reports, sales and purchase register, and the journal register. Let's start with the cash or bank books. To view cash or bank books from the gateway of Tally, press D for display, A for account books, and C for cash or bank books. Here, the cash book, referred to as cash in hand, displays all the transactions that affect cash. Similarly, all transactions that involve a bank, including deposits, credits, withdrawals, and so on, are displayed under bank accounts. Press Enter on the ICICI Bank ledger to view monthly transactions summary. You can drill down to any of these months to view the transaction details. Let's say you want to view the transactions recorded in March. Press Enter on March. Here, you can view the actual transactions recorded using the bank ledger along with the closing bank balance. Now, say that you want to view the total transaction value as well as the closing balances for each day. Press F6 for daily breakup. This will show you the day-wise breakup of bank receipts and payments along with the closing balance. Won't it be good if you can see the day when you had the highest and lowest balance in the bank? Press F12 for configurations. Set Show High and Low Details as Yes. Enter and accept. Now you can see the daily breakup along with the highest and lowest details. Similarly, you can view and configure the cash book to see additional details. The next report we will discuss about is the ledger report. Let's go back to the accounts book by pressing Escape. Enter on ledger and select the ledger account for which you want to see the details. Here, I'm selecting Digital World. All the transactions recorded related to the selected ledger account will be visible here. As a practice, most businesses send their account statement to match the books with their customers and suppliers, etc. To print the confirmation of accounts, press Alt-P, say no to the print command. In the style of report, select Confirmation of Accounts, set the additional information as required, enter and press Y to preview the confirmation of account statement. Press Alt-Z to zoom. Now press Escape and go back to the accounts book. Let's now discuss about the group summary report. The group summary statement shows the summary of ledger accounts of belonging to the selected group. Let's say you want to view the closing balance of all your sundry debtors. To view this, press G for group summary, type S to sort the list and select Sundry Debtors. Here, you can enter on the debtors ledger account to view more details. Press Escape to go back to the accounts book. The next report in the accounts book is the group voucher report. Similar to the group summary, the group voucher report displays all the vouchers of ledger accounts belonging to the selected group. To view, enter group voucher and select the group, say Sundry Debtors. The next important accounting report we will learn about is the sales register. To see the sales register, press Escape from the group voucher screen and select Sales Register from the accounts book. This is the monthly summary of your sales. Press Enter on any of the months to see the details. Here, I'm selecting March. All the sales transactions recorded in the selected month is shown here. If you want to see the profitability of each sales transaction, press F7 to show profit. And there you go. This report will now show you the sales price, the gross profit, the cost, and the gross profit percentage. You can also view the sales register in columnar format. Press F5 for columnar. Enable the details you want to see. Select all items, automatic columns in type of column. Enter and accept to view the columnar report. Press Alt F1 to see detailed. Now press Escape to see the purchase register. The purchase register displays details of all purchases recorded. You can view all the details as we saw in the sales register. Now press Escape to see the journal register. Using journal register, you can see the voucher register of journals, credit notes and debit notes recorded in the books. Press J for journal register. These registers are pretty much like the sales register. Each of these registers are designed with options to aid you in analyzing and making quick business decisions. So here is a quick recap. Today we learnt about viewing daily wise bank books with the highest and lowest balances, viewing ledger account details and printing confirmation of account statement, and viewing sales register with profitability and in the columnar style. With our latest Tally ERP 9, you can access these reports from a web browser on any device, anywhere.